you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a wrinkle killer treatment. Now this natural remedy kills wrinkle like crazy. That is actually gonna make your skin look younger and more glowing. Alright, so if you want to know what that is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. So the very first ingredients we're going to be needing for this will be avocado. Alright, here you can also call this pear. It is actually very ripe, and that's why this head can go off easily. Okay, so you need a very soft avocado for this. Okay, so avocado is a rich source of nutrients to the skin. It helps to moisturize the skin. Avocado contains vitamin E, which increases the elasticity of the skin, and it also contains potassium, and it contains lactic acid, which helps to make your skin look younger and radiant. Alright, so using avocado would make you look even younger. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be slicing this because I need just a little of the avocado. I don't need much of that though. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure to get just a little out of this, and it's a fresh avocado. So I'm gonna be cutting that a little by little into a bowl, okay, so I can mash it very well. I think that will be okay. Now let me eat this. Oh my god! For me, I'm gonna be using a spoon to just mash all of the avocado together. Okay, just like this. This is a great butter if you're dieting. Okay, you use avocado a whole lot. Just gonna fill your stomach, and you're gonna lose weight also. So you just mash it all up and you're good to go. So the next ingredient, which is very important for this remedy, would be fuller's earth or multani meaty. Okay, so fuller's earth, you can actually get that on my website, or you can buy it online. Okay, so it's actually not very difficult to find. Fuller's earth is an oil absorber. Okay, it absorbs oil, okay, and it helps to fair and glow the skin. It fights acne and pimples. It reduces scars, improves skin elasticity, removes dead skin cells, and treats oily skin. Okay, so that's why you need fuller's earth so well. I'm gonna be pouring in the fuller's earth powder. I don't need much of that because the avocado is just there to do the job for me. So you're going to be mixing that up, and the next ingredient you are going to be needing will be rice powder. Alright guys, so how you're going to get rice powder is that you're just going to get your normal rice, okay, and then you're just going to put that in a blender and blend it. Then you have rice powder. Alright, but that's how you're gonna get it. Okay, rice powder has been used for centuries as a natural beauty aid. It contains anti-aging property, and it's also a oil absorbing property that makes your skin looks good, and it also helps for acne prone skin, dull, dry skin, aging skin. It contains a whitening agent that sorts sunburned skin and makes skin smooth and fairer. Alright, and also I'm going to be putting in the rice powder. So half tablespoon of the rice powder would be okay. So the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be scent leaf. Now, using scent leaf on the skin will revive the dullness and the dryness of the skin, and it will also make you look younger than your age. Okay, so we're going to be mixing this in a beauty regime. So now I'm going to be putting in, although I've actually put in about 2 tablespoons of the scent leaf. Okay, so how you're going to be getting the scent leaf juice is that you're going to be pouring in a little bit of water in the blender, and then you're just going to blend the scent leaf with it. Now you would get the water to mix your anti-aging and wrinkle treatment together. So you have to mix this and mix this really good. Okay, so it's gonna be looking this thick, and that is actually very okay. So how you're gonna apply this is that you're just going to take this, then you're going to apply it onto your face. Okay, just like that. I'm actually using the help of my hand to illustrate that. Now when you're done applying it, you're going to be having a little bit of the particles of the rice. So what you do with that is that you're just going to scrub. Now you have to scrub gently, okay, because of course you're applying it on the face, so it has to be a very gentle touch, a very gentle massage. Okay, so when you're done massaging, you have to hold it there for like 1 more minute, and then you go wash it off. Okay, so you have to repeat this treatment for like 2 times in a week, and you are going to be looking younger, like younger than your age, because this is going to be the best anti-wrinkle treatment. Like all of the ingredients in it are good for wrinkles. Okay, so that's how you're going to be using it. You have to continue using it after the first week. So those are the powerful wrinkle killer remedy ingredients that would help you to look younger and younger by the day. So when you're consistent in this, you are going to be surprised how you're going to be looking like. Yeah, that's it. I'm not kidding here. So that's it, guys. If you did love this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video and turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box. Please follow me on Instagram, guys, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Mwah.